I've changed the sprockets in this, so I'm going to take it out now for the first time on the road and see how it does. That can't be right. Oh boy. Is that right? Today we are rocking the new JT sprockets, 13 tooth in the front, 42 tooth in the rear. This is the first time I've had it out on the road to see how it's doing. I've ridden it around my backyard a few times. I really like where the power's at. And I can't say anything different about the road. So if you watched the video that I posted last week right after I got this, I did a top speed test on it. And with the stock 1440 gears, it got up to about 80 miles an hour, give or take a little bit. And I knew that when I went with the 1342 sprockets, that was going to change. So we are in 6th gear right now on the Kawasaki. 60 miles an hour at 7,000 RPM. Let's run her up. It pulls good. 6th gear, it's a nice pull on. And we're about 9,200 RPMs. And we are at 79 miles an hour, 80 miles an hour. It's still got some pull in it. Now I think my speedometer is off, but now that I've changed this gear ratio, I didn't care what my speed was before. I don't care even more now. This bike, these 1342 sprockets, oh yeah, it's woke this up. So again, I'm in 6th gear, and there's no lack of power. It pulls. You give it the beans and it pulls. It's really impressive. So these D605s, they suck. They're good for this. Hard pack, no problem. Okay, so now that I've got these 1342s on, and I have seen my top speed be about 80 miles an hour still, which is going to be off a little bit, I wanted to see how it performs 0 to 60. I'm not in a great spot right here. It's kind of a twisty road. It's going up a little bit of a hill right now, but I'm going to do 2 or 3 pulls on it and just see how it goes. So let's just give it a shot. I'm going to take off out of first. And we'll see how it does. So in 3, 2, 1, go. Did I even hit 60 on that? I don't know. Let's get to a straighter part of the road. I will say this, it started to lift up in 1st gear, just taking off with it. 3, 2, 1, go. $60, $65. Let's take off out of 2nd gear this time. Only because I'm kind of curious to see how it does from a 2nd gear start. 3, 2, 1, go. It did not like that. Not giving it full beans anyway. $60, $65. And that's it. I'm out.